Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing CD Baby, which is a well-known music distribution platform that helps independent artists release, sell, and monetize their music. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore CD Baby and see if it is the right fit for your music career. So, CD Baby is a music distribution service, as I said earlier, that helps independent musicians release their songs on major streaming platforms like Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Amazon Music, and more. It also offers physical distribution, publishing, administration, and sync licensing opportunities. If I talk about the pros of this particular platform, so over here you will get one-time payment per release. So there is no annual fees, just a one-time charge per album or single. You will get wide distribution, so you will be able to deliver your music to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, and more. It will also provide you the benefits of publishing and sync licensing that could help you collect your royalties from radio, TV, and film placements. And you will also get the ability of the physical distribution. So you are going to get here the CD and the vinyl sales for the artists who want hard copies of their music. Now, if I talk about the cons, so the only con is that it takes a commission. So CD Baby will take 9% cut from streaming royalties, and there is no free option as well. Unlike some competitors, there is no free plans for basic distribution. So if you are an independent artist who is looking for a reliable one-time payment music distribution service, CD Baby is certainly a great option for you. It offers wide distribution, publishing, administration, and physical sales options, making it a solid platform for musicians who want full control over their music. So if you want to try it out, you can just use the link in the description and you can get started with it today. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.